Good.
Did you like the fireworks?
Yeah?
Go now. Now.
Classic words. Let's go home now.
Yes, we can go home now.
But I'm gonna have a brownie.
How are we gonna brownies when we get home, okay? Can you get that plastic bag on the ground over there? For yeah, it's for Office and Canada. Do you want to carry it? Okay, we'll have brownies when we get home.
But for now I want to carry
Okay, hold on.
Yeah, here's a bag.
There's a bag. Thank you. I liked a lot of the fireworks.
Did you like all of them, Papa?
I liked them a lot. What were your favorite ones, Av?
I liked the rainbow ones.
The rainbow ones?
Which ones did you like?
I like the rainbow sparkly ones.
Did you like it?
Are you cool?
Did you like